Sunday Home Reset. Hi, it's Sharon and welcome to my channel. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and anyone who's clicked on this video. Thank you for stopping and watching. I hope you stay till the end. And now we're going to get some laundry started. It is Sunday Home Reset, so there's going to be lots of homemaking done. Okay, now we're in the kitchen and I have a big job ahead of me in here and we'll get her all spick and span. At this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. It's free. And if you push the little bell, you'll know every time I put up a video. It will notify you. And if you like this content of homemaking, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. I always like to know who's here and what you're doing and if you're cleaning along with me and how your day is going. I love my little vacuum mop machine. I don't know what the make is, but I really like it because I can do the floors up fairly quick. And about once a month I use my big vacuum and my mop and bucket, and then I get to use this little guy in between. And it just helps freshen everything up really nice. And it does a good job picking up all the crumbs and mopping the floor at the same time. I think this is a great invention, and I'm really glad that I discovered it by watching other people's YouTube channels, like Midwest Mama. She uses one of these. I really like those drawers that you can put pots in. They're really deep and they work wonderful for pots and lids and other little knick-knacky things that I keep in there. And I've got my dishes put away now. It's definitely hot. So now we're going to glue that piece on. Where is it? There it is. It's going to put a little bit of glue right where they had glue. And we'll put it right on here. There we go. Not probably that much glue right on there. Okay. Makes more sense. See if the glue onto here. Okay, you can see that. That looks cute. See if you guys can see it. Here. So I'm just going to go as far as it lets me go. And I just took the last glove off because I got to let it hang down there. Otherwise, it's too heavy. So, well, this goes on the cover. Oh well. Okay, so now we'll put this back. Oops, I'm going to light that up a little bit, maybe. Oh, of course, things are falling over. I got to pick them up, put them where they belong. Okay. Holly berry back in there. Pine cone. Oh, there's one of the little wooden gloves. We can just sit right there. Okay, there we go. So, that's in that corner now, and it looks cute. And I put out my hot chocolate. And I found another little gingerbread guy. I'll stick in there. Oh, darn it, darn it, darn it. Just put a little dab of glue on there. And that guy will stand up. Where'd you go? There you go. There you go. And we'll stick a pine cone in front. Oops. Just stand up there. Okay, there you go. Stay there. Okay. Well, that was a little bit of fun in between all the work. So I got those little wooden mitts up with the lights on them. And now I'm going to move my table and wash the floor on the other side. Well, the last thing I'm going to do in the kitchen, I'm just going to wipe down the kitchen table, and that makes everything all done nice and clean, dishes all done, put away, and floors are all mopped and nice and clean, and ready for some more homemaking. Our hallway seems to be a big dust collector, so I thought I would show you all the dust and how well this little machine cleans it all up. I think it does a fabulous job. I'm just doing a quick little tidy in the living room. We seem to manage to keep the living room in pretty good shape, except I had laundry all over that I folded last night. And so I put that in the bedroom, and that's where I'm going to go next. And you're going to watch me put some laundry away. Whoop-de-doo. Well, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. And if you managed to hang on this long. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'd just like to remind you again that it's free to subscribe. And it helps my channel a lot. I'd really love to get to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm pretty darn close. Anyhow, if you subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. It's everything that YouTube will recognize, and it will sure help my channel out. So now we'll get these clothes put away. Well, I thought I'd just have a little chit chat with you while I'm putting these clothes away. And I think I stripped the bed next. Anyhow, while I'm working in the bedroom getting things done, I thought I would just let you know that the weather in Lethbridge is very good, and it's much warmer now. We had some snow, but it's just about all gone. We're having one of our Chinooks, I guess. So now I'm going to strip the bed and put on some clean sheets and stuff. And I'm going to wash the blanket that's at the end of the bed because the dogs sleep on it all the time. Okay, I got the clean sheets put on. My husband always helps me put on the bottom sheet because we have to lift the mattress up to get the bottom sheet tucked under properly. So it's a good thing him and I are retired so we can do that together. Anyhow, I'm getting the sheets on, and then we'll get the rest of the blankets and stuff on. And our bed will be nice and fresh for tonight. So today, my husband and I went out and we did a little more Christmas shopping. I think we're just about done, which is a good thing because Christmas is coming up pretty soon. I do have my house decorated for Christmas, and I will be doing a home tour for Christmas, a Christmas home tour pretty soon. Probably next Sunday, home reset, I'll be doing that. Anyhow, I'm getting my bedspread or my duvet cover on here so we'll be nice and warm as we sleep. And I do enjoy my bedroom. I like my bedding. And we'll get it all done. Get the pillowcases put on, and then we'll get all the pillows put on the bed. So the blanket that the dogs lay on is nice and clean and fresh again. So I'm going to put it at the end of the bed. Because when they come to bed at night, that's where they sleep, is at the end. And I unfold that blanket so they have lots of room to sleep. And my white spread does not get dirty that way. And it's so nice. So I put this pretty blanket there, and I have my green cushions. And while I was out shopping today, I bought my tree cushion that I wanted for my bed. And I think it looks precious. I'm very, very pleased with it. So there's the cushion I got today while I was out shopping, and I was very pleased to find it. I really, really do like it, and I think it goes great on my bed for Christmas. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you gave me a thumbs up and subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be Tiny, tidy Tuesday. And here's a little shot of our banister out back with the lights on. I think it's very pretty. And hopefully the neighbors enjoy it, which I'm sure they do.